a 1948 Chevy truck. Probably bought back in the early 60s. My dad bought it for a sign truck. So that's what it was for his business. And then I drove it in high school. And then kind of street rotted it. It's on an S10 chassis with a 400 Chevy small block motor and a 700R overdrive transmission. And it has air conditioning. So basically, this is what it looked like when he got it. Yeah, it looked like this. It's not the original paint. Somebody painted it, but yeah, the tailgate's original. Yeah, the dragons and the airbrush, the Chevrolet on the back of it. My dad did that.